Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we have this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a USB and a USB-C wall charger. If you can see, for the one that we got right here, it's a brand called UGREEN, and for this one in particular, they do have the GaN technology built in, and the power that's on here is 65 watts. If you can see on the bottom right here, they do provide some specs and features about the product, and it does have the protection built in to give you guys a safe charging speed when you guys do use it, in terms of overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. And supposedly for the product, it does have the power delivery option as well to give you guys a fast charging speed when you guys use it for your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and etc. But here's what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, here's what the product looks like. If you can see how we do have a wrapper on here, if you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, here's what the product looks like. So inside right here, they do have the brand name. And when you guys look at the material that's on here, it definitely looks like a high quality material that feels really smooth as well. So here is this side, and here is our side, and then here is the back. So right here, we got the foldable plug. If you guys push it down, that is what the product looks like. And once you guys done using it, you guys can push back up. Very easy and very simple. On this side right here, you can see we do have different output. So there's 3 USB-C option and 1 USB. And they mentioned for the USB-C option, provide you guys the power delivery option. And for USB, provide you guys quick charging option. And like I mentioned, the max power on here is 65 watts when you guys only plug in one outlet at a time. If you guys use a USB option, you guys will not get that 65 watts option. And it is recommended for you guys to get a 100 watts cable or something that supports 65 watts. If you guys get a cable that's not supported for the 65 watts power, it will not work. And if you guys notice, for the product, it's actually very small and compact, and it feels super lightweight as well. And the reason why it's so small and compact is because it does have a GaN technology built in that pretty much gives you guys a faster charging speed at a safer charging speed, and also allows the charger to be much smaller. And obviously when you guys do use it, you do have the option to use all 4 outputs at the same time if you guys do want to. But the 65 watt power will be spread between all 4 of them. So that is everything that's on the product. Now let's plug it in to test it out to show you guys what actually works. So you guys open up, if you guys plug it in. On the other side right here, I already have my laptop connected onto the tester. So let's do plug it in. And when you guys look at the power that's being generated on here, it is pretty powerful. Let me actually calculate it to show you guys how much power that's being generated onto my MacBook Air. So when you do the calculation, you can see right here is the result. So right now it's charging at a 63 watt speed. So it is pretty fast, very close to the 65 watts like I mentioned. And in case you are curious, right here is my laptop that's being charged, if you can see. But now try some of the other output at the same time and see what happens. So right here I do have my USB-C to lightning cable. If you guys do plug it in, and other side will plug it onto my phone. So let's do plug it in. If you can see, it does work. Once you guys do plug in the phone, you can see it went down. So right now it's showing 20.05 V and 2.17 A. So if you guys do calculate it, now the laptop is charging at that speed. So it's charging at around like 44 watts when you guys are charging another device like your phone. Now let's try to plug in one more thing to see what happens. So we're gonna use a USB to USB-C. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, other side will plug into my power bank. So right here I do my Anchor power bank. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work. When you guys do look at the number, you can see it didn't really change. It's still around like 44 watts. So if the laptop is still charging 44 watts, that means the phone and the power bank is charging around 10 watts or less than that. So it does spread it out when you guys do use it. So the product definitely does work when you guys do use it, if you can see. So whether if you guys want to charge one device or multiple at a time, feel free to do so. It does give you guys the option to charge very close to 65 watts for your laptop when you guys use it. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality USB and a USB-C wall charger that give you guys the power delivery option, quick charging option, and also the GaN technology built in, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.